Hello and welcome back to the layout. Now today you join me for a review of this Lima Models Great Western Diesel Railcar. Now this is number 205132 and well, here she is. So let's take a closer look. Right then, so there we are, and straight out of the box you can see that, well, it's really quite impressive at a first sight. Starting from the left then, first of all we have the NEM coupling just here at the end of the model, and this is just the usual tension lock type with the big D. Then we have the buffers up here which are not sprung, but this model is from the 1970s I believe, so it's quite an old model, but despite its age it's certainly quite nice, especially around the bogies. As you can see, there's a lot of riveting going on here, along with the vacuum pipes which come down off here, the brakes. Of course we have the axle boxes picked out too, as well as the springs just here. So moving on then, here we have the number, which is number 22, and next to that we have the doors here. Now just above this screwdriver here, which I'm just pointing out the details with, there is a gold line which goes in between the chocolate and cream, which is the livery of this model. Further down then, we have the covers here for the engine parts. So behind this door here is where the main engine would have been. Now this was a diesel model. I can't remember how much horsepower it was, but it was quite a strong type. Then here we have the air conditioning unit, and we have the nicely applied Great Western Railway logo. Just bring that into focus. So then at the far right of the model we again have a whole loath of detail on the bogies, as well as some picked out handrails around the door, and of course the windows around this model are nicely glazed too. Even though they're plastic, they do give quite a nice realistic appearance. We have the 4 panes. We also have the wipers here, which hopefully you can see. Further down then we have the Great Western logo with the 3-link coupling hook underneath. Then there are the separate parts for where the vacuum pipes and air brakes would go. Looking along the roof then, we have the lighting picked out where the oil lamps went. Then we have the chimney here, which does look rather plasticky, but it certainly adds to the overall appearance. So I'll just take the body off now, we can have a look at some of the detail inside. And there you can see the cab details, which have been very carefully picked out, with the regulator, the brakes and various other bits of equipment, as well as the AWS bell system, which is for communication. The Railcar is then powered by this pancake motor here, or at least that's what the nickname is. As you can see, we have quite a few bits of gear on the side with various cogs. So this bogie here picks up for one side the power, let's say for now that's positive, and then the other bogie picks up for the negative, shall we say. So I'm hoping to change this so that we get wheel pickup off 8 wheels rather than 4 wheels, which will of course again add to the running improvement. And there you can see the pickup system that this model uses, which is just live to the axles rather than to the wheel. So I'll put this all back together and we'll give it a run. So there she is, the Flying Banana, as her nickname is, down on the tracks, all ready for a test. And with all 4 wheel pickups cleaned, and they're all looking nice and shiny now, it's time to give this a run. And there we go. So hopefully you enjoyed those few running shots of the Lima model's Great Western diesel railcar. Thank you for watching this review and joining me for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.